Yeah, welcome back to the class. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna be talking about a wonderful tutorial. So let's get on to the class ASAP. So in this tutorial, we're gonna be talking about the importance of poultry. The importance of poultry. So poultry is one amongst the lucrative sectors in agriculture. Is one amongst the lucrative sectors in agriculture. So when you do poultry, it means you are sure of getting 65 to 70%, 60, 65, 70% of return investment. So meaning after you have saved your capital, you'll be able to get extra 60% profit. So meaning if you are putting $100, after harvest you'll be getting $160. So you put in back $100 and you're having your $60 back. So poultry is one amongst the lucrative sectors in agriculture, and it has so many importance to individuals, industries, and our society. Wow, I love this. Let's get on to them one by one. If you own a poultry, you can produce eggs and meat for your family's protein requirement. Even if you don't want to feed the nation, at least feed your family. Make profit by selling your eggs and meat. It serves as an increasing sector for employment, which is the aim of ground skills. So after learning this, you'll be able to have your own poultry and you'll be able to employ at least one person. Okay. Poultry helps in massive production of feathers, eggshells, and offer as raw materials for industries, which I told you before that the birds feathers can be used in industries for production of good materials. So you can also use their eggshells to produce bone meal and the rest of them. So uh, poultry has its contributions in the fight to eradicating global poverty. This is so amazing. It serves as an industry for educational research for students and researchers. So students, it's good for students to make research, to research on the educational level of their agric science, okay, and also for researchers as well. So, and lastly, it serves as great option for retirees who wish to start a self-made business of their own. So before you get retired, make sure you have a poultry. Make sure you have invested in agriculture, whichever sector you want to go into. Make sure you are into agriculture as a self-made business of your own. So you don't retire and come back home empty-handed without nothing or eating off the ones you've been paid or whichever. Make sure you invest in agriculture. Thank you very much as you're done with this video, and in the next video we'll be talking about a wonderful tutorial. See you in the next class.